Page 35, evening. We're using what we know so far, and we're using our new note that we just learned, the G in the left hand. So let's look it over. I'm going to go through my routine for learning a new piece of music. I see this is 2 lines long, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature, and I see half notes, quarter notes, and whole notes. I think we can deal with all that. The hands are playing together, so I'm going to take it one hand at a time to make sure I understand what each hand is doing, and then I'll try putting them together. The right hand, when it comes in, it starts on 3rd finger here, so that puts my hand in this position. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Isn't this fun? In the second line, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is great. Okay. Whoopie-doo. Left hand, well, it's starting thumb here. That puts the hand here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. If you look at the second line, it's exactly the same as the first for the left hand. So put the hands together here, and the first 2 measures is just the left hand. But then we get this here. These are together, and then these, and here. So we're doing this. Make sure you get that feeling of that. And again, without looking, what's it look like? What's it feel like? And the second line, when they play together, the last 2 measures, it's here and here. We've had that before. Here. You're just trying to get a feel for that, is all it is. And then once I have that, I go back through and get rid of any hesitations anywhere, so it's a steady beat throughout. And then I can think about the interpretation. The natural accents, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Feel these. 1, 2, 3, 4 throughout. And then the phrasing, in this case, it works out where each line is a phrase. It's a musical sentence or a musical thought. So when I get done with the first line, to go on, I'm going to lift up. Just lift up. It's like taking a breath. You have to lift up anyway. It's the same note, but this is a little longer. And then the second line is all connected. Now don't copy me, please. You get into it. You play it your speed, however fast you think it should go, and you feel the music. Try and feel it. Let's play it together very slowly and mechanically. We're not feeling anything here. This is just checking notes and rhythms. We're not performing it. I'll give us 4 counts, but I am going to lift up at the end of the first line for the phrasing. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. Off.